All right, here we go. Let's go ahead and knock out this Vowel Team EA. All right, so we know this week we are starting off with our vowel teams. And we know that a vowel team is when we see two vowels right beside each other. I mean, like right beside each other. Nothing in between them, right beside each other. They make how many sounds? If we see two vowels right beside each other, they make how many sounds? One. Good job. They make one single sound, and it is going to be the long sound, okay? They make the long sound of the first vowel in the team. All right, so when two vowels go walking, the first does the talking, the second one is silent, okay? So if we're looking at these words, remember, we know that EA is the second vowel team that makes the E sound. So when we come across a vowel team, whether it's in a one-syllable word or a two-syllable word or a four-syllable word, we underline the vowel team together because they make how many sounds? One. Mark it with a V. The first sound does the talking. It makes its long sound, and the second sound is quiet. So in this word, we have eel, heel. All right, let's look at another word. I see a vowel team. We underline the whole vowel team and mark it with one V because the vowel team makes one sound. What sound does it make? It makes the long sound of the first vowel because the first vowel does the talking. Second vowel is silent. So my word is bean, bean. Let's look at this one. S-T-E-A-M. I see a vowel team. So what do I do with vowel teams? We underline the whole thing and mark it with one V because a vowel team is one sound. Two vowels, one sound. What sound does it make? The long sound of the first vowel. The second one is silent. So we have st, eam, steam. Very good. All right, our next word is, I don't know, we gotta see. Here we go. E-A, there's that vowel team. Underline the whole thing because it makes one vowel sound. It makes the sound of the first vowel, which is an E. We say its name, E. The A is silent. O, eep, leap. Very good. All right, remember yesterday we talked about where can we find the EA sound? Well, just like EE, EA can be found in the middle of words, but it can also be found at the beginning of words. Let's look at that. Each. There it is in the beginning. Cheap. There it is in the middle. Dream. Dream. There it is in the middle. Beach. E. There it is in the middle. So it can be found in the middle, or sometimes it can be found in the beginning. Very good. So this week we have learned that EE is going to be in the middle or the end. We've also learned that EA is going to be at the beginning or in the middle. So sometimes there are rule breakers. What are we going to do with these rule breakers? Sometimes words just do not follow the spelling rules, but they still follow the phonics sound rules. So it might be kind of hard for us to spell these words, but it should not be hard for us to read them because anytime, anywhere we see the EE together, it's going to say E. Anytime, anywhere we see the EA together, it's going to say E. So let's look at some rule breakers. Eel. I know that word is eel because I see two E's together, okay? Even though the rule is that EE is supposed to be at the end of a word, this one right here is a rule breaker. Another rule breaker. Tea, like sweet tea. I love to drink sweet tea. EA normally comes at the beginning or in the middle of a word, but in this word, the rule breaker, it comes at the end. And the word flee, like the little kind of animal that bites people or animals, that is a flea. That EA is at the end of the word as this one too. So it is a rule breaker. So sometimes these rule breaker words, we can't spell them using those rules, but we can still read them using the rules. All right, it's time for us to spell some words and diagram them. Here we go. Ready? Our first word is each. Each. Which way to spell E comes at the beginning of a word? Each. It's the one we've been talking about. You should have E, A, C, H. All right. So let's look at this. Remember, when we see a vowel team, we underline the entire vowel team and mark it with one V because it makes one sound. What sound does it make? Long E, silent A. Each. Now, remember back to those TCH and CH rules. If the vowel is long and we hear the ch sound at the end, we're going to use CH. So in this word, I hear a long vowel sound. I know I use CH. Okay? Oops. Here we go. Our next word is Dean. Dean. This is the name of a boy. Dean. So think about it. If it's the name of a boy, what are we supposed to be doing to the first letter? Dean. D-een. Dean. Here we go. D-E-A-N. We hear D. Een. Okay? Vowel team. Here we go. Next word. Beach. Beach. B-each. Beach. Here's a hint. If you can spell each, you can spell beach. If you can spell each, you can spell beach. Here we go. Beach is just simply the word each with a B at the beginning. B-each. Okay, beach. Good job. Our next word is, it's getting a little harder. Are you ready? Squeak. 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 That's a 3-letter blend. Squeak. Squeak. Here we go. 3-letter blend. We're going to blend it in our blending bowl. Squeak. Squeak. All right, here is your bonus word for today. It's a 2-syllable word. Are you ready? Beanpole. 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 8 letters. Here you go. Beanpole. Beanpole. Here we go. So we see these first syllables. This is a vowel. Boom. Ooh, look. Here we go. Here's another vowel. I'm going to draw my bridge. Label the consonants in between them. And split between them. Bean. This is a vowel team syllable. Pole. This is a magic E syllable. Bean, pole. Very good. All right. Let's spell a sentence. Here we go. Dean will follow us away from the beach. Dean will follow us away from the beach. Dean will follow. Dean will follow us away. Us away from the beach. From the beach. Dean will follow us away from the beach. All right, here we go. We're going to use our writer's eye to edit our sentence. Make sure you're looking for the things Miss Gates underlined to make sure they are correctly done on your page as well. Here we go. Dean will follow us away from the beach. I did not say the word huge, so if you don't have the word, you should not have the word huge. So I'm going to mark it out because Miss Gates didn't say that word. So that one's not going to be in there. Here we go. Dean, and we need to make sure we have this EA right here, will follow, that's a red word, us away, that's a red word, from, that's a red word, the beach with a question mark. So please make sure you have EAs, you have the correct form of ch, and you have a period and a capital letter. All right, here we go. Today, we are going to read our red words as surfer dudes. Surfer dudes, all right? So here we go. Our first word is around. Around. So we say A-R-O-U-N-D, around. All right? Spell it like your best surfer dude. A-R-O-U-N-D, around. All right, here we go. Next word. Follow. F-O-L-L-O-W. Spell it like our surfer dude. F-O-L-L-O-W. Follow, dude. Follow. Good job. Our next word is away. Away. A-W-A-Y. Away. A-W-A-Y. Away. All right. And our last word is different. Here we go. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T. Different. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T. Different. Gnarly, dude. All right, guys, great job. I want you to write each of your words 3 times each in red, and then we will go to our next slide. So I should see 3 times each in your red words, and then we're going to review our red words, all right? So here we go. Went, still, ask, where, from, why, think, give, know, from, always, over, sentence, should. Great job today, you guys. I will see y'all in reading groups.